Listen, there's a fire burning inside you right now, fueled by frustration, anger, maybe even despair over how locked down your private wealth feels. You're staring at untapped value, locked behind walls built by legacy systems, slow-moving, designed to hold you back. You know the drill. You invest, you wait, you pray for liquidity that never comes, strangled in the silence of private markets. It's a slow death for your capital, your vision, your future. Feeling powerless stings. Markets that should serve you instead become cages that choke your own growth, your own mission. That's the raw truth that nobody dares say loud enough, and that you can't unsee. But here's the brutal truth you need to grab by the throat today. Secondary markets are flipping this game on its head right now. They are the explosive escape hatch for founders, angel investors, and leaders who refuse to be slaves to tradition. This isn't some distant future possibility. It's real, it's alive, and you're either part of it or you're stuck digging your own grave with slow cash. If you're watching this, you're not settling and you're not waiting quietly. You deserve actionable clarity to break free. Step 1. Stop treating your private shares like dead weight. Don't just hold and hope. Dive into secondary market platforms that are rewriting the rules. These markets aren't just marketplaces. They are revolutionary engines unlocking liquidity before IPO or exit. Don't get fooled by old game myths. Major players are trading private shares fluidly today. If you're not plugged in, you're missing out on the game-changing capital flow that top investors exploit silently. Go find real networks where these trades are happening, the ones innovating with trust, transparency, and speed, and position yourself there now. Step 2, embrace brutal transparency. The era of secrecy around private wealth is ending. To truly unlock value, your deals must be crystal clear, your valuations honest, your exit pathways visible and shared. Push your portfolio companies for this level of openness, not to expose weaknesses, but to build trust that turns illiquid assets into streams of opportunity. Founders, demand your investors collaborate on secondary opportunities. Investors, insist founders build secondary-friendly cap tables. This is how you build a market that serves you, not one that punishes you. Step 3, build your community of rare allies. This is not about mass social media hype or endless networking. You need fiercely complementary connections who get the private markets at their pulse. Investors who see the hidden liquidity lanes. Founders who build not just startups, but ecosystems around these markets. Leaders who turn fragmented private stakes into strategic weapons. Seek out these few, connect intensely, and exchange knowledge, deals, and trust relentlessly. This network will be your backbone when the old system collapses under its own weight. Finally, never settle for passive waiting. The true power unlocked by secondary markets is strategic freedom, capital that frees you to double down on what matters: innovation, growth, transformation. This is your call to abandon comfort and complacency, strip down illusions, and take ownership of your reality. Your wealth isn't just numbers on a balance sheet. It's the fuel for a future only you can build. Secondary markets are not just unlocking private wealth today. They're unleashing new freedom for those bold enough to seize it. So rage against the locks, demand the transparency, forge the alliances, and own your liquidity like a warrior reclaiming territory. This moment is yours. In a world of illusions and false freedom, this is where the real liberation begins. Don't blink, don't hesitate. Step into the secondary market revolution and unleash what you were always meant to become.